the hurricanes look like, and you can always see the very distinct eye with these systems.
Yeah.
And if you look on radar, you can see little dots moving around on the inside. And I always ask the kids, what do you think it is? And debris, the different answers. And I'm like, no, it's birds. And it's because these birds, they go through the eye wall, and they'll just travel with the storm because they don't want to go back through the eye wall. So they'll just move with it because if you're in the eye wall, it's sunny above you. It's nice, clear, calm conditions. So they'll just travel with these storms. So it's actually very common that we see a lot of these displaced tropical birds.
What in the world?
After some of these. This is the first I've seen flamingos. Yeah. Typically it's more of the parrots and some of those other tropical birds. But yeah.
I just learned something new, Jen. Thank you.
Yep. So after we always have the strong hurricanes, you can always keep an eye out for some of those very exotic birds making their way here, but they will fly back home. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at radar across the southeast. Seeing plenty of sunshine out there currently. Cloud cover showers further towards the north, really beginning to see a lot of those in northern Mississippi, Alabama. Offshore showers and thunderstorms. And right now we are right in the middle of both of those, seeing clear conditions, even though we need that rain. We're just not going to be seeing it really heading into today. Possibly an isolated shower, but those chances only at about 10% for today. Now, temperatures out there currently resting in the mid to upper 80s, the lower 90s, 90 in Gulf Shores, 89 in Mobile, 88 in Pensacola. But dew points, the humidity out there currently resting in the lower to mid 70s. And so the heat indices, the feels like temperatures right now resting in the lower to mid 90s, feeling like 96 in Gulf Shores, feeling like 94 in Mobile along with Destin, and then feeling like 92 up in Grove Hill. Now, over the next few hours, this is only going to continue feeling warmer than the actual air temperature. We're going to be maxing out in the lower to mid 90s, but feeling closer towards 100 degrees. Although we are now into September, it is officially meteorologically fall. We run in the month, so it began on September 1st. We're not quite feeling it just yet. No signs of it coming our way really in the short term. I hope to see it in long range, though. It'll eventually get here, but we'll keep you updated right here on Fox 10. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about the conditions out there for today, the rain chances that we're looking at, plus also tracking the tropics. All that's coming up soon. Joe. From Battleship Memorial Park, beginning to see some blue sunny skies, some white puffy cumulus clouds, and temperatures right now resting in the upper 80s. Dew points lower 70s, so feeling like 96 at this time. Now, timing things out in our futurecast, heading into the rest of today, isolated showers are possible heading into this afternoon, but low chances. Really only looking at about that 10% potential heading into this afternoon, which we need the rain. But heading into the overnight hours, cloud cover possibly some isolated sprinkles, but starting off dry and sunny to begin your Thursday. But then by the afternoon, take a look at that. Really expecting some isolated showers and thunderstorms to begin popping up heading into your Thursday afternoon. Now, right now, keeping those chances at about 30% heading into tomorrow, but hoping to make those numbers rise as we do get closer and the futurecast continues to stay consistent. Now, taking a look at this afternoon's temperatures, really going to start to see some of those upper 80s closer towards the coast. As you head further inland, more of the lower to mid 90s, but do keep in mind it's going to be feeling closer towards 100 degrees with a little bit higher humidity heading into today. Now, tracking the tropics, a few areas that we're monitoring. We do have Tropical Storm Lee down there. Moderate chances of development for this wave just approaching off the coast of Africa there. Moderate chances of development over really the next week, but we're going to continue to monitor heading closer towards the weekend when a tropical depression is possible. And then this little feature up here expected to move into harsh conditions, not looking likely to develop into anything. Now, focusing more on Tropical Storm Lee. Right now, the sustained wind 70 miles per hour, gusting up to 85, tracking west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. But this system expected to continue to strengthen heading into today, possibly becoming Hurricane Lee. Again, we're not there yet. Still a tropical storm, expected to become that hurricane later on into today, and then really begin to intensify heading closer towards the weekend, getting up to that major strength, possibly a Category 4 hurricane as it really tracks on the northern side there of Puerto Rico. But we'll continue to monitor, keep you updated here. But right now, a lot of models want to lean towards a northerly curve with this system, taking it back out into the Atlantic. So that's going to be best case scenario. We're going to continue to monitor Lee as it continues on that track west-northwest. Again, hoping for that northerly curve, taking it back out into the Atlantic and making it just a problem for the fish. But coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about our forecast here locally, what you can expect over the next 7 days and what your weekend is shaping up to look like. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.